Hello friends, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to delete files from the working directory as well as from staging area using command is called git rm, right? So here, let me show you, I have a repository here, and currently that repository is pointing to the develop branch. And if I do git status, then here you can see my git is completely cleaned. So that means this workspace is working tree is completely synced with the remote branch. Now here let's try to understand how and when we can use git rm command. For that, let's see, I have a directory, this web content. Inside that we have a web enough. Inside that we have some JSP file. Let's say I want to delete this JSP file, then how we can delete? So there are a couple of ways. So first of all, you go inside this directory and you delete this file manually, right? And if I do git status, right, git status, then this is showing I have deleted this file from my local working tree, but I haven't staged. So how to stage is, you have to write git add and period, and if you do git status now, then this is showing now that has been staged, right? So this is a basically two-step process. First step, you go ahead and you deleted that files, single or set of files, and you stages those files, right? Two-stage process. And after that, of course, you can commit it and then push into your remote repository, right? So but this two-step process, if you want to do in the single step, right, then how we can do that? So for that we can use git rm command. Before that, just I'm going to reset whatever changes I have done. For that, I will use git reset / hard, right? So here I got register.jsp back. If I do git status, then my working tree is now clean, right? Now I'm going to delete this file, not manually, but I'll use git rm command for this. So git rm, then I will use a file name. So here directly we cannot specify the file name because this is a folder hierarchy, so I can use wildcard searching. So / I do register.jsp, and if JSP, if I press enter, then you can see rm command has been issued and this file is deleted. And if I do git status, then you'll see directly this changes has been staged. So here you can see directly this changes has been staged. So if you want to do rather than making two step, you can do same stuff in only one step by issuing this command git rm, right? Now I would like to, of course, revert these changes. So I'm doing git reset, and if I do just, I'm going to clear my terminal. Now next command we are going to learn, let's say I have made some changes in the register.jsp. Let's say I have made some changes in JSP. I would add one HTML tag, h1 hello. Okay, now if I do git status, then here you can see this is showing in under the modified file, right? And I have done some modification over here, but I can compare this change git diff command, using git diff command, and I don't know whether this will work or not. Let's try it. I want to see the difference between my local directory as well as staging. So I would say, okay, file, here you can see the complete directory, you can give relative path, and here you can see this is showing difference. So here there are two versions of this file, /a and /b. so in /b we have added some content, right, that is showing by this green plus, right? Now here I don't want to basically delete whatever changes I have done in the my local working directory, but same file I want to delete from the staging area. It must be a older file, right? Then how we can do that? So that's what we have a command is called git rm / cached. You have to do cached, cached, right? And of course your file name. So file name I'm going to specify here. So the file name, I'm not sure whether wildcard will take in or not. So / I would say register .jsp. Okay, that worked. So here you can see that rm remove process has happened, but if I look into the my local directory, so here you can see local directory, still my changes is there, and if I could see this same by using git status command. So git status shows that has been deleted from the staging area, but not from my working directory. Working directory is still showing that untracked file, means our changes is still there, right? So that's why git rm cached command we have. So I hope you understood what's the difference, different way to delete files from working tree as well as a staging area using git rm. Guys, few things you'll have to keep in mind. So whatever operation we do using git rm command, that is not getting recorded into the basically commit history, because this is not the commit. This is just we are deleting files from the local area, local working tree as well as staging area. So this will not be recorded into the basically commit history, right? And whatever rm operation, remove operation you are doing using git rm, that can be reverted using a git reset command, right? So that's all I have in this video tutorial. I hope you enjoy learning this video, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.